Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, let's clear up a common confusion, the difference between in time and on time. These two phrases might seem similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses. Trust me, mastering these will make your English sound much more natural and fluent. First up, let's dive into the phrase on time. When something happens on time, it means it occurs at the scheduled or expected moment. It's all about punctuality and sticking to a predetermined schedule. Think of it like catching a train. Trains often run on a strict timetable. If the train is supposed to arrive at 8 a.m. and it does, we say the train arrived on time. Simple, right? It's all about meeting the exact time set. Now let's talk about in time. This one is a bit different. This phrase is used when something happens before a deadline or before it's too late. It's more flexible and not tied to a specific moment. Imagine you're rushing to a movie. You don't have to be there at an exact time, but you need to be there before the movie starts. If you get there to see the beginning, you arrived in time. Notice the difference? It's about making it before the event starts, not at a precise moment. It's not about a specific schedule, but rather making it before a cut-off point. Here's another example. Let's say you have a project due at midnight. You might work on it throughout the day, but the key is to submit it before the deadline. If you submit it at 11:59 p.m., you did it in time. You managed to beat the deadline, even if just by a minute. You're just beating the deadline, not necessarily following a set schedule. It's about making it before it's too late. And then there's just in time. This is a bit more dramatic. This is when something happens at the very last possible moment. Picture this. You're running to catch a bus, and you hop on just as the doors are closing. You made it just in time by the skin of your teeth. You made it just in time. Let's recap on time, in time, and just in time. On time is all about being punctual and sticking to a schedule. It's about meeting the exact time set for an event or task. In time means you made it before a deadline or before it was too late. It's more about beating the clock rather than meeting a specific time. And just in time is when you barely make it. It's the last possible moment before missing out. Practice using these phrases in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. It might take some time, but you'll get the hang of it. Try to incorporate them into your speech and writing. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for tuning in. Keep practicing and improving your English skills. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content for you. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Stay curious and keep exploring the nuances of the English language.